You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these name. This is the name of an animated series, but this is also a phrase from Latin, so we need to learn how to pronounce it. If you want to learn more Latin, stay tuned. It means the voice of the machine. Vox Machina. The Latin pronunciation would be Vox Machina, but in English it's simply pronounced as Vox. Vox Machina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.